This is 973 square feet apartment in Canada, owned by our subscriber, Queenie. She wants to redesign her apartment's interior and go for a modern contemporary style, but she's having a hard time on how to start and redesigning the space. That's why we're here to help her. We'll be designing his apartment in a Scandinavian style. Let's get started. This is Queenie's current house layout. She has an open plan design for her living, dining, and kitchen areas. Then there are 2 bedrooms, a master bedroom and a common bedroom. Her space looks good, but she wants more. She's looking to add warmth and texture to make her home feel more inviting. So, this design will not only reflect her style, but also elevate her home's overall atmosphere. Queenie wants a modern contemporary home where minimalism meets function. Therefore, the design will feature clean lines, neutral tones, and natural textures like wood and stone to bring in warmth. She also wants extra storage and a workspace in both bedrooms. And as for her den, she's asked for ideas to make the most of that space. One great advantage is that her flooring and wall color already complement the modern contemporary design she envisions. So, we'll retain these elements, allowing us to focus on creating functional furniture layouts, emphasizing clean lines, and achieving a harmonious balance of earthy tones and bold accents. But since the full project is quite large, we'll focus today on her living area, TV wall, dining area, and kitchen. The rest, stay tuned for part 2. Now let's dive into the design solution. Let's start with the living area. The L-shaped sectional sofa is the centerpiece, upholstered in a soft, light beige fabric, which cost $1,269.14. It's sleek and modern, but those bold orange accent pillows, they're exactly what the room needs to feel warm and welcoming. You can imagine sinking into this sofa with a cup of coffee or hosting friends for a relaxed evening. Then, in front of the sofa, we have a round marble coffee table. Its polished white top with subtle veining adds elegance, while the black base provides a grounded, modern look. Styled minimally with a stack of books, a vase, and some decor, it feels chic without being overdone. Next to the sofa is a sleek black side table, just big enough for a small vase, and a decorative item. It doesn't steal attention but complements the overall design perfectly. Then there's the arched floor lamp, a bold black piece that curves beautifully over the seating area. Its soft, warm light is ideal for cozy evenings in. Beneath it all, the textured dark rug that cost $49 anchors the room, introducing depth and a sense of coziness. The darker tones balance the light beige sofa and add a layer of sophistication. But what truly frames and enhances this living area are the curtains. The combination of blackout curtains and sheer curtains offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. This layered curtain setup not only complements the modern contemporary design, but also adds texture and warmth to the space. The ceiling design also adds character. It's gently sloped, and we've integrated pin lights strategically to provide focused illumination, ensuring the space feels well lit and functional. Along the edges, LED strip lighting creates a soft ambient glow that enhances the modern contemporary vibe. To top it off, the centerpiece is a modern chandelier which cost $152.99. This living area is all about balance. Modern meets cozy, and style meets comfort. It's a space designed for Queenie to relax, entertain, or enjoy a quiet moment. Let's move to her TV wall. This TV wall is the perfect blend of function and modern design, making it not just a place to watch TV, but a true centerpiece for the room. The main focus is, of course, the television, set against a gorgeous marble backdrop, with subtle veining that exudes sophistication. The marble is bordered by sleek fluted wall panels, creating a warm contrast that elevates the design. Beneath the TV, a linear electric fireplace adds both ambiance and a cozy feel. The gentle flicker of the flames is not only visually stunning, but also creates a relaxing vibe. On the right side, the built-in shelving unit combines style and practicality. It's perfect for displaying decor like books, small sculptures, or personal collectibles. Matte finish ties the entire wall together, giving it a cohesive, high-end look. The storage cabinets above are designed to keep clutter out of sight, ensuring the space remains clean and organized. The use of layered lighting completes the design. Integrated LED lights along the edges of the panels and above the fireplace subtly highlight the textures and materials, creating depth and a welcoming glow. This TV wall isn't just about entertainment. It's about making a bold design statement while keeping the space functional and stylish. Whether you're enjoying a movie night or simply relaxing by the fire, it sets the perfect tone for the room. Moving on to the dining area, which flows beautifully from the living space. The dining table is the showstopper here. It features a polished marble top with elegant veining, paired with a sturdy black geometric base. This table balances sophistication and modern minimalism, making it perfect for the space. Then, the dining chairs, upholstered in a soft, neutral fabric, feel inviting and comfortable. Their curved backs enhance the cozy vibe, while their black legs with gold accents add a touch of glamour. And speaking of lighting, the chandelier here is a sculptural masterpiece, which cost $414.40. Its looping LED rings provide a soft, warm glow, while adding an artistic element to the space. It draws the eye upward, complementing the sloped ceiling design with integrated LED lighting that ties the dining and living areas together. The decor is simple but impactful. A sleek black vase with sprigs of greenery sits in the center of the table, bringing in a natural, refreshing touch. It's a dining area that feels both elegant and approachable, perfect for meals with family or lively conversations with friends. Now, let's talk about the kitchen. We've retained the original layout but elevated it with a bold color palette and refined details. The cabinets feature a sleek combination of matte charcoal gray for the overhead units and clean white for the lower ones. Then, the marble countertops and backsplash bring in texture and elegance, creating a seamless flow throughout. The island counter is a standout. Its ribbed detailing adds subtle texture, while the marble top ties it back to the rest of the kitchen. Underneath, accent lighting creates a warm glow, making the island both functional and visually striking. Above the island, pendant lights with a black and gold finish that cost $69.99 add a modern contemporary vibe. These lights tie in with the overall color scheme and provide focused illumination. Then, recessed lighting throughout ensures the kitchen is always bright and practical. For decor, we've kept it minimal but meaningful. Small jars with bamboo lids hold essentials like oats and sugar, adding a natural, earthy touch. A fresh green plant in a modern planter introduces life, while a wooden bowl filled with fruit adds warmth. This kitchen is designed to be both practical and luxurious, blending function with style for daily use or hosting friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tip.